Hello, my friend. I am back with this versatile ponytail hairstyle that makes it look like I shaved my side. One of the styles, sha. So to start off, this is the hair I am using. It's one of the Empress lines from Darling, Nigeria. So this is the pack of the hair. I was looking for the length. I didn't find it, it fell off. But you would need your hair, a drawstring ponytail, a dummy head, and pins to secure your drawstring wig cap. So to start off, all the lengths of the hair are equal. It's either 16 or 18 inches or 18 or 20 inches. I don't know, I'm not sure. But I proceeded to make the ponytail by just going around and around. If you do not know how to make this, I have a detailed video on how to make a drawstring ponytail, this particular type, because I made a little adjustment so that I will be able to incorporate one of the styles I made, the shaved side looking type of ponytail. I just made a little adjustment to the regular type of ponytail. The video will be in the description bar and at the end of this video if you're interested in knowing how to do that. So I go off sectioning the part of my hair that I want to look shaved. When I shaved my sides, this was what I did before I went to meet the barber. I sectioned off exactly where it will suit my face. This is different for everybody, but if you take that line too up towards the center of your face, it will start looking masculine. I didn't want that. I didn't want it to look too hard, so I took my time to find that exact line where it suits my face. I still wanted the hair to look soft and feminine but edgy, so that was why I spent so much time getting this line exactly where I want it to be, and it varies for every face shape. And if I am trying to make a sewing that looks like a shaved side, it always takes me time to figure out where exactly to place this line. If you place it in the perfect spot, you're going to get like the sweetest look you can. So just take your time with that. I will be using this gel So Fine. This brand, they make hair cream, hair grease in Nigeria, so I know them already, but this is the first time I am seeing their hair gel and I decided to try it out. It comes in several colors: blue, green, yellow. I used the blue one in the knotless braid I made for my younger sister. That video is also up on my channel, you should check it out. That hair was gorgeous. So I used the black one and tried it for the first time, but I was pissed. I will show you why. You will see why I was pissed about it. But I took my time to flatten this shaved side as much as I did. I even pranked some of my friends then. I just put up the picture and was like, I shaved my hair. And some people were like, why? Oh no, you shaved your hair again. That was fun. But no, but at least I can see what my face will look like when my hair is shaved. If you want to shave your hair or you're thinking of shaving your hair, you can start like this and just wear the look for a while and see how it feels. But yeah, I kept on applying the gel and flattening my hair, although I wasn't too serious with flattening like the top side. It was this shaved side that I know was going to be visible with my favorite type of. Okay, this is why I disliked this gel. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. It made my hand black. Anyway, I went into the dryer for a short while. I became tired and came out. I forgot to put my clip, my pin. What do they call this? Wig comb. So look at the way I attached it. Instead of the regular one at the front, one at the back, I had one at the side. No, I had three, but lined up in such a way that I could clip one close to the line of the shaved part so that the hair would lie very close to the line and look like the hair was growing out of my scalp. At the end of this video, you will see that the shaved side actually looked like I had a type 3 texture type of hair and I shaved off the side of my hair. It was, I loved this hairstyle like that, but the shaved side type of look of this ponytail hair. I loved it, and let's just continue. You see, so this is the type of wig comb I used. You clip and snap, it opens. When you put it on your hair, you snap it back and it closes. This thing wanted to give me extra work, as if I came to this work to be refixing the draw. They are even supposed to make this thing close so that it doesn't pull off, but the way it was produced, it wasn't tied and it wasn't closed. Anyway, you need to tie that end, because at the end of the video you will need to attach a bobby pin to the end of your drawstring, so that while when you are done wrapping it around, you can just stick it into your hair and it will keep it secured. So this is the first style, which I believe is too much for my personality. Like, I cannot pull this quantity of hair off. It's oversized for my personality. But I will show you, of course. If you like huge hair, this is not big hair, this is huge hair. If you like huge hair, then this was okay. When I was done making the drawstring ponytail, I didn't end up using 3 of those hair extensions. I used 2, and I felt that okay, if I was making just the regular ponytail, it would have been okay, but because of one of the styles I was making, I felt like I needed more hair. So I just combed it out and it became this big. So this is one of the styles. If you have a big personality, you can wear this big hair, but no, that is too big for me. So going over to the second style, I decided to change this into a bubble ponytail, and that's like taming the excess personality into my size. So it was fun. You need to have muscles in your arms to be able to make this. Unfortunately, I do not have muscles there. I have fat. The mistake I realized is I should have brought this thing down, made these bubbles on my laps, and then clipped back this hair, because my arms were burning. Look at me, like everything was beginning to get to me, and because the hair was bulky, it took extra. See, I forget this editing. This thing was edited to look short. Like, this made me sweat, and I should have even brought my hand down this way, and it was easier. I was busy taking my hand up and stressing myself. See, I'm even crying, sir. I'm kidding. I loved it. You see that yellow accessory I put there, that golden thing? It just ruined my bubble, and I couldn't see it until I was done. But I love this compared to the first style, and I also love this third one compared to the first style. That was oversized personality. This oversized personality puff, but it's gorgeous. Now we have to take it down. See, when I was taking this thing down, I had a new found respect for YouTubers that show versatile hairstyle, especially those that have to mess with the gelled part of their hair to show you different ways to style a hair. There is this video I watched by Jane Nashe, I think that's her name. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it well, but she showed different way to make ponytail hair, and she had a 4C hair that she gelled. She was just switching she had a center pattern, a side pattern, she had like 2 buns, showing different ways you can style ponytail, and she had to like comb the gel into different shapes. Like, just even taking off this ponytail was annoying me. Like, you have the perfect hair, you just want to flex, but no, you have to stop and take it off and mess with it so that you show another style in your video, trying to make your video interesting. And still, some people will skip my ads. Please do not skip the ads so that I can start making money from this. Here, guys, please don't skip my ads. I cannot wait to be able to make money from this channel and get myself a good camera that will show the details of my video. Like, when I make 4C hairstyles, and this camera, my phone camera, doesn't pick up like the texture of the hair. It just shows one cloudy messy. Some people will be like, did you wash the hair? Yes, I did, but my camera is just not picking up the beautiful coils and the details. But please, just at the end of the every gist, what I mean is to not skip my ads, please, so that I can make money from this. Oh my god, look at this hair. When I was making this hairstyle, I was like, this girl is fine. Oh, I can't wait to born a girl. Oh, if you have a baby girl in your life, you have been blessed specially by God. Ooh, it will feel so amazing to have a baby girl that looks like me. Anyway, this really looks like I have this texture of hair, and I just shaved my sides. I just shaved the side of my hair. It looked delicious. This is my favorite style of this hairstyle, and it's like the most interesting one. I should have stopped messing with it. I kept on flattening this hair until it looked regular. When it was a little bit messy, it looked realistic, and then I now patted it and fixed it until it started looking like a regular hairstyle. People that don't keep their hand warm, please. But you get the gist. It looks nice, it looks carefree, it looks a little bit edgy. If I had this thing covering my whole hair, it will not look this good. So this is nice, and I like it, and I look sweet in my mind. And these are my partners in our hair. My partners in our hairstyle. They decided to give you people little dance steps, showing off their own hairstyles. I wasn't done. You thought I was done. I wasn't done. I went back into the shop, and I was looking at the camera, and I was feeling my hair, and I decided to play and dance a little. But because of copyright, nobody is going to come and chop my hard work. So I decided to put the volume on mute and only give you people the dance steps. Even though I do not know how to dance, oh, I do not care. I just want to feel my new hairstyle. It's gotta eat. For my mind, the hair was fine. Guys, please check out my other videos, how to make the ponytail for yourself. That video is detailed, everything you need to know, so that you can get this particular style perfectly. You need to watch that video, and then please tell me, like, when I see people say I am watching from Trinidad, oh shit, is that the name of that country? I was like, wow, are you serious? I am surprised that the people that watch my videos are not even from my country. My country is like the 6th on the list. And I was like, wow, this is so sweet. I feel like hugging everyone. As you already know, I appreciate every single second you spend on my channel. I know that is your time, and it is so precious. So thank you very much. If you can just leave a comment and tell me where you are watching from, it just boosts my morale and makes me so happy. Please just thumbs up this video if you like anything in the video. Check out my other videos. I hope you have the sweetest day you have had in a while. Bye, and thank you. Sending you love and light.